So here's how to allow your microphone and camera access on Google Chrome. So first you want to open Google Chrome and then click on the three vertical dots, and then you want to click on settings. Now in the settings tab, you want to click on privacy and security, and then you want to click on site settings, and then you want to scroll down and click on microphone first. Now you want to select your default microphone device that you want to use. And then you can either select sites can ask you to use microphone or don't allow sites to use microphone. So we want to select the first one to allow websites to ask for using microphone. Now, if you scroll down a bit, you should see sites that are not allowed to use your microphone and sites that are allowed to use the microphone without asking. So make sure the website you're trying to use the microphone on is not in this list. It could be in this list, or it could be asking manually each time you're trying to use the microphone. Now you want to go back and do the same for the camera. So you want to click on camera and then click on sites can ask to use the camera, and also make sure the website you're trying to use the cam on is not in this list because it will be blocked from using the cam. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.